Hello, D-Rock here. Welcome to the channel. I hope you all are well. Here I am, Newcastle Reservoir. Bit chilly this morning. Outside temperature starting at 45 degrees. It's mid-September. I'm not quite used to this temperature, to be honest with you. I'm still down St. George. It's it's still in the low 90s, and well, I'm chilled. Let's just put it that way. So I'm taking my time and getting the boat set up. I'm just trying to stay warm at this point. Anyway, I was going to be out here earlier, but it's just been storming every day, and it looks like the thunderheads are going to build again today. So I don't know. It says it's supposed to be clear skies. Who knows? It's the weather. What can you do? Anyway, I haven't fished here it's been a couple years. It's been a few years, maybe 3 years. I can't recall, to be honest with you. But I just put up that little short, and there's been another fellow angler that's been putting posts up, and he's doing well out here. He's been catching some nice smallies, and I think his daughter caught a really big wiper out of here. And well, here I am. I mean, you got my curiosity. So I'm gonna launch out and see what I can do out here. Now, I have caught a wiper out here years ago. I've only caught one. I have also caught a few small trout in here. I've never caught a smallie. I think Jen's caught a smallie out here, but those are the species that are in here: trout, smallmouth, and wiper. If you don't know what a wiper is, it's I think it's a mix between a white bass and a striper. It's an interesting fish. Anyway, they're in this reservoir, and we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna get the boat set up. I'm gonna launch, and hopefully no problems launching. Looks like I got enough water to do that. I'll find out shortly, and yeah, we'll go have a look and see if we can catch anything. So join me, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It helps me out tremendously. So let's go see if we can get a fish on, yeah? Yeah. I'm just barely there. I think I can make this happen, though. Just don't turn the truck off, right? It's a success. Able to get her off. Nicely done. Yeah, folks, just make sure to secure your boat before you leave it sitting like that. I don't think I would have found that too pleasurable if I had to go swimming after the boat this morning. Water temperature, just as the sun came up, 68.5 degrees. It's actually pretty warm. So I feel like with that temperature, things will be active today. It looks like there's things, I see things on the graph, 25 feet. I'm in 40 feet of water. All right, so it begins. Let's get one. All right, I'm going to try another Rapala Shadow Wrap number 5. This one, however, is a different pattern, so it begins. I have a feeling, actually, what I mean to say is my expectations are very low this morning. So I'm not expecting much to happen today. That way, if something does happen, it'll be a wonderful surprise. And a bit of funk in the water too. All right, I'm gonna try pitching. This is a Z-Man ticklers, kind of like a Ned rig, but you've got some of that on the end. And I'm gonna bump this off the bottom here and there. See if we can arouse some activity. A little weedy. All right, time to try something else. We're gonna try, this is a hardcore shad. This little guy right here usually does some damage, so we'll give this one a shot. So I'm seeing quite a few small trout on the surface, and by small, maybe 6 inches or so. That's the activity I'm seeing. I did get a small bump as I was trolling, but still nothing. Might switch to a little spinner or something. See if I can at least catch one of those small trout. All right, I'm gonna try casting a little rooster tail here, see if I can get anything. Water's kind of funky right here, huh? Tough morning. All right, trout just came to surface, and I tossed over there, and guess what? I got a hit on the rooster tail. Hey, it's better than nothing, so. This is just a yum dinger. This is about 3 inches. We'll try that bright chartreuse tail. I mean, we'll throw it all at them today. Hopefully something works. Yeah, I'm remembering Newcastle now. I don't think this is a very easy place to fish. It's not for me anyway. Water temperature is 69 degrees. Check out the water. All right, well, we're gonna go back to trolling hardcore shad. Good night. I'm trolling up and down this reservoir, and I'm not even seeing anything on the graph. Not even just a pinprick of image of fish. I'm seeing nothing. Well, I know there's minnows in here, and I know there's small trout. Nothing is interested in any. Well, actually, that's not true. I got a bump on a rooster tail, and I got a bump on that hardcore shad, but that's it. Yeah, it's almost noon o'clock. My question is if there are wipers in here, then wouldn't they hang out in the school like stripers do? If they did, then I would presume that I could see them on the graph if I went over a school of them, but I'm not seeing anything on the graph, and I'm just zigzagging, straight line, and I'm all over this reservoir. I don't know, maybe the cooler weather shut it down. Oh, I got a fish one. I got a fish one. Oh my goodness. That's right. You heard me. I got a fish one. Oh, it isn't much of a fish, but I will take it. Trust me. Oh, it's not coming to the surface. What do we got? Looks like a smallie. Oh. One smallie. I didn't get skunked. How about that? I got that little smallie on the shad wrap number 5 Rapala. So, all right. Well, that broke the ice, didn't it? There you have it. Perseverance paid off. Well, maybe that's a sign of things to happen. As it's warming up, maybe they're just gonna become a little more active. So, I don't know. We'll keep going for a little while. Fish on! That's a nice fish there. Oh. Oh, he peeled some line. Ho, 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 ho. That feels like a nice fish. Where's that net at? Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting. What is it going to be? Wow, look at that. He's digging down. Oh. What do we got? Oh, it's a wiper, folks. Oh, yes! Hit on that little Rapala. There you go. My very first wiper. Well, actually my second wiper, but I never documented it. Here you go. That's awesome. They're in here. All right, now that is encouraging. Might have to stay for a little bit longer. A few specks down there. Oh, yeah, fish on. Not a fish or anything. No, that had to be a fish. I thought it might have been a whale, but ooh, that's whatever it is. It's hefty. He's coming right at me. Oh no! What do we got? It's another wiper. Oh, it's another one. Oh yeah! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, we got another one. Oh, wiper number 2. Oh my goodness! This is good times. So I definitely saw that on the graph. So there's a wiper down there. All right. Man, that's just straight up awesome. Man, those things hit like a brick. Boy, be something else to get a really big one on. And people have caught some really big ones in here. Oh, fish on. Oh. Might be a third wiper. There you go. They do school up. Very nice. Fish on. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's a good one there. Man, he hit and ran, baby. Ooh. This one might be the fish of the day. Wow. That. Well, about the same size. Oh my goodness, they're out here. Oh, fish one. There he is. Fish one. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. They definitely school up. Oh, nice. Yep. Wiper, baby. Oh. Oh. Yeah, about the same size. I don't think I'm catching the same fish. Oh, man. There you go. Wiper number 5. The mouths aren't very big, so that shad wrap number 5, that'll fit in there real nice. Fish on. Oh. God. Almost yanked the rod out of my hand on that one. Wow, boy, they hit hard. That's awesome. Oh. Oh yeah. Love it. They're definitely schooled up. Yep. There we go. One after the other. Alright, I have to make another pass. I have to. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Oh man, they hit. Boom! I just turned the camera off. Oh no. Oh. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh. Oh man. Feisty fish, man, let me tell you. One double the size of this one would probably pop my line. Fish on. Oh. Woo. You're running for the hills with that one. Woo. Woo. Good night. Where are you going? Another wiper, wow. Oh. Oh, he's out of here. Gone. All right, I would call that a very successful day at Newcastle. I was hoping to get into actually some more smallie, but yeah, it's only that little one, but that was the icebreaker, and then the wiper started after that. Tell you, the whole morning was a bust, and I pretty much graphed the entire reservoir, I feel like. So that little Rapala shad wrap number 5, that was the ticket, man. And once I found the wipers, and they were schooled up, so they do school up, and I was curious about that because I mentioned it earlier in the day. Once I found that school, I just stayed on top of them back and forth, and I think I plucked 7, 8, I'm not sure now how many out of here. So yeah, fantastic. They're definitely fish in Newcastle Reservoir. I tell you what, if I got into any of them like double the size of the wiper I was catching, whew, boy, let me tell you, that'd be one mean fish. They give you a run for the money for sure. So there you have it, Newcastle Reservoir. There's fish in here, most certainly. Folks, lots more content on the way. Please stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching the content. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It helps us out tremendously and is free. We will see you next time. Stay safe out there, tight lines. D-Rock out. Adios.